Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open CMD in Windows. Chapter 1. How to open CMD from Run. To begin, right-click on the Start menu, then click Run. In the window, enter CMD. After that, click OK. Chapter 2. How to open CMD from Context menu. To start, right-click on the Start menu. After that, click on Terminal. Chapter 3. How to open CMD from Task Manager. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. Then click Run New Task. After that, enter CMD, click on OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to open CMD from Search box. To get started, click on the search box, enter CMD, click on the console. Chapter 5. How to open CMD from File Explorer. First of all, open File Explorer. Now in the title bar, enter CMD, press Enter to open the console. Chapter 6. How to open CMD using shortcut. To start, right-click on the desktop, then click on Shortcut. Here, click Browse. After that, go to the route that you can see on the screen. Then, assign the desired name and click Finish. Now you can double-click on this shortcut to open the console. Chapter 7. How to open CMD as administrator. You can access the console as administrator from the Start menu. To make it always like this, right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Now click on Advanced. After that, activate the box Run as Administrator. You can apply the changes. By double-clicking on the shortcut, you must confirm access. Chapter 8. How to open CMD from Taskbar. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Then right-click on the console and click on Pin to Taskbar. You can now access the console from the taskbar. Chapter 9. How to open CMD from Start menu. To To get started, in the search box, enter CMD. After that, on the side, click on Pin to start. When you open the Start menu, you can see access to the console available there. Chapter 10. How to open CMD from executable. To begin, open the File Explorer, go to the path you see on the screen. Here, find the CMD executable. Double-click on it to open it. Chapter 11. How to open CMD from a browser. To start, open Edge. After that, in the title bar, enter the line you see on the screen. Now, when you press Enter, you must confirm the download. This will be access to the CMD console. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.